Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT quickly and securely, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner building your portfolio or an experienced trader optimizing your assets, this process is straightforward and efficient. First things first, make sure you have both the Trust Wallet app and a Bitmart account set up on your device. Open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to your USDT wallet. You'll see your balance. Double-check that you have enough USDT to transfer. Next, hop over to the Bitmart app or website. Log in to your account and go to the deposit section. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency and choose the appropriate network, like TRC20 or ERC20, depending on what Trust Wallet uses for your USDT. Bitmart will generate a unique deposit address. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer to go through. Now, back in Trust Wallet, tap on the USDT wallet and select the Send option. Paste the Bitmart deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network compatibility to avoid any fees or failed transactions. Review everything one last time, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Once sent, the transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your Bitmart account, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Bitmart in 2025. Always remember to double-check addresses and networks to stay safe in the crypto world. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.